forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Thank you very much.
Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the classic coconut flavored cake. This cake is very delicious and you will like it. Now for this cake we need 3 cups of regular all-purpose flour. Then after it we need 1 cup of sugar. Then half a teaspoon of salt. Then you will also need your coconut flavor because we say it's coconut flavored cake. Then we need milk. I'm going to use the 3 crowns milk for this, but you can use any milk. Then we have baking powder. You see the brand I'm using, but you can use any good baking powder. Then we need eggs. Here we have 8 eggs here inside the bowl. And then we have 150 grams of butter. Then after the butter, after these ingredients, you need measuring cups, which are very handy when making your cake. We need measurements all the time, so that is why I'm going to use them. So keep on watching and follow me. So now we are going to start creaming our butter and sugar together until it is light and fluffy. Now you can see that our sugar and butter are light and fluffy. You can use an electric mixer if you have it for this step. So now it is time for us to start adding our eggs. So when you want to add your eggs, you add it one at a time. You add it, then you beat it very well until it is very smooth before you add in the next egg. So whenever you're adding the eggs, be sure not to drop any tiny bit of eggshell when you are doing that, because you will mess up your cake. So now we can see our eggs have been fully incorporated into the sugar and butter. So by the side you can see I have my flour, which I have already sifted with baking powder and salt. So now I'm going to add in the flavor. You can see that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of the flavor into the mixture. So after adding it, we mix it to make sure that the flavor is fully incorporated into the mixture. So now after mixing in the flavor, what we do next is we divide our flour into 3 equal parts. We start adding the flour bit by bit, that means into 3 batches. Add 1 batch, use few strokes to mix it very well, and be careful not to over mix because it will deflate the batter. I'm going to use butter and flour to grease my cake pan. I will use butter to grease all the way around. Then I will sprinkle some flour, which will help to prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. The flour will help prevent sticking. I'm going to divide my cake batter into 2 and color one of it. So for the one inside the glass bowl, I'm going to color it blue, but you can color it green, yellow, orange, brown, or any color of your choice, so that I can create a zebra-like effect at the end. So now I'm going to add color to one part. This is how our cake batter will look. Now we are going to pat it 2 times on the floor to release excess air trapped inside. Then we preheat our oven to 250 degrees centigrade, and then when it is hot, you slot in your cake and you leave it there for 15 minutes. When it is done, you use toothpick to check, insert it in the middle. When it comes out clean, the cake is done. Now when you bring out the cake out of the oven, make sure you insert a toothpick at the center to check if it is done. When the toothpick comes out very clean, it means the cake is cooked. Now you allow it to cool before you cut it into the desired shapes.